Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So right here on my screen I have a new platform that I deemed necessary that I present before you today to make sure that you grab this opportunity and make money online for free without any investment. So right here on my screen, as you can see, currently I have $4 on my balance right here. So and this $4 was actually gotten yesterday. Immediately I registered on this platform and follow the step that I'm going to teach you right here. So automatically when you sign up, you'll be given 100 naira, 100 USDT rather. So you receive $100 here. So these $100 will do much for you, and how it's going to help you to make money online. So the $100 that you receive will not be withdrawn. So but I will show you how you can maximize it and make free earnings on this platform. So automatically you will receive $100, and when you receive that $100, you need to come to this place, and you see this central button. So this is a grabbing button where you need to click. So automatically you open this place and you see this experience room will be unlocked for you. So the 100, as you can see, currently I have 100 USDT here, but the experience period is just 1 day, and already I have utilized the experience period. That is why it is showing locked, but I'm going to show you how you will use it and unlock VIP1 for free. So as you can see, I have unlocked VIP1 without any deposit on this platform. So automatically, so you can see it right here, I'm on VIP1 where I am eligible to make withdrawal on this platform for free. So and the minimum withdrawal you can receive here is just $10, guys, and I'll show you how you get to do that. So right here on my screen, as you can see, I have already opened VIP1, but once you register as a new user, you receive 100 USDT. So this 100 USDT is an experienced fund that is given to you as a bonus. So you need to maximize it and unlock the required VIP for free now. So immediately you register, what you need to do is to click on enter. So you click on this enter, just like this one is open for you here. So you just need to click on this enter, and then automatically it will open like this. So I'll be using this VIP1 as example to show you how you get to make use of the $100. Now you start grabbing order with that bonus, and you need to grab $10 10 orders. So automatically you'll be earning up to $2 in your total. Now what you need to do is immediately you exhaust that particular order, which is will be 10 in number. What you need to do is to come back to your screen, and when you click, not really, just come back to the central button here, so which is the order button. You see the VIP one will be unlocked after you have finished grabbing 10 orders on this particular experience room. So once this is unlocked for you, you're now eligible to keep grabbing orders on daily basis, and the number of orders that you'll be grabbing here will be more than this particular experience room order, which this one is going to be 20 in numbers, while this particular one, which is experience room, will be 10 in numbers. But the difference is that you'll be given a bonus, which is 100 USDT, to enable you unlock this particular VIP for free. So now let's proceed. So immediately you keep grabbing order. So you need to keep grabbing order, like simply click on this auto fetch, automatic order fetching. So you click right here, so you wait for it to load. So now as the order is loading, I will click to obtain. So I'll wait for it to load up. So I'll now wait, the screen will keep loading. So I have already exhausted the order for today. That is why it's not allowing me to proceed, but that is exactly how to grab order, and you need to do this every day to keep earning. So immediately you earn up to $10, automatically you can make withdrawal on this platform by simply coming clicking on this particular icon here, which is the profile icon. Now the next thing you're going to do is to attach your withdrawal details. So you can actually click on wallet management, or you can come to this account detail, or you simply click on withdrawal. So when you click on withdrawal, it will automatically bring you to this page. Now what you need to do is to first of all go to the settings and add the withdrawal address. So guys, when you click on this wallet management, automatically it will take you to the place where you need to attach the withdrawal address that you want to make use of, so which is basically TRC20. So you need to click on this plus sign. So immediately you click on this plus sign, a new page will pop up. Now you need to copy the wallet address and paste it right here. So immediately you paste it right here, you now get your email address verified, so that when you click on get verification code, automatically a new code will be sent to you. Go to your email, you can open the spam message and then get it there. Now you have to proceed and come to this show. So immediately you click on show, automatically it will be binded for you, and now you'll be eligible to make withdrawal once you reach the minimum withdrawal. So that is basically how this platform works. So I'll recommend you join fast and start grabbing this order here to keep earning on daily basis before this offer will end, which is the registration that will give you access to receive free $100, and this $100 will help you to unlock free VIP, where you will become eligible to withdraw money when you reach the minimum threshold. So guys, thank you for watching, and I trust you get to grab this offer without a waste of time. Now also, the minimum recharge here is $10, but there is no need to make deposit, since there is an opportunity for you to keep earning and reach the minimum threshold. And also you can copy your referral link and share with your friends, so that you can be able to earn team profits too, or team commission from the referral earnings. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.